Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June the 5th, 2018, and I'll give you an update here on my cucumber seedlings. I'm going to be feeding them today with some Sea Magic. That's supposed to help prevent dampening off disease. So I'm going to be giving them some here today. This one here actually has flowered. Wow. This is one of the Tendergreen Burpless cucumbers, and it actually has flowered. So here's another one over here. This is a 55-day variety. It's an heirloom. I chose this one because they say excessively moisture soil, and it can also tolerate cooler temperatures and cooler soil conditions. So I'm really pleased that this one's blooming right now. I'll show you some other ones here. The other plants, I'm going to lose this one here, so I'm going to have to take this one out and destroy it. It's one of my tomatoes there. I lost one of my melons that was growing along the fence here, and I lost one of my tomato plants that was growing along the fence as well. So I'm going to show you here in a moment. So I'm going to show you here how to feed with Sea Magic. Okay, so I have my Sea Magic here. It's already mixed up. What I do with the Sea Magic is I take a half a cup of the Sea Magic concentrate and I put it in a 2-gallon watering can, and then I can water my plants with it. And Sea Magic is one of my favorite products to use. I really like it. What I've noticed with it is higher yields. I've also noticed that the plants grow faster. They also flower quicker. And I've noticed like a higher disease resistance with the plants that I feed with Sea Magic. And I'll have a link down below for it. It's just a really awesome product that I had found. I tried it years ago. I was looking online at this one company, and I seen Sea Magic on there, and I was reading their reviews, and I was reading about what people said about it and about everything that Sea Magic does, and I decided to try it, and I'm very happy that I did, because I'm very pleased with how it makes the plants grow. Now I did put this over the leaves. It's windy out today, so it's going to help dry the plants off. And the leaves will actually absorb the Sea Magic into them as well as the root systems will. And I'm going to feed these all along here the same way. Now, if it's a really hot day out, or if the sun's beating down on your plants, or if it's close to nightfall, you don't want to water the leaves of your cucumbers or any plant, because you can set it up for like downy mildews and powdery mildews and stuff like that, and we don't want to do that. So if you have a plant that is in the sun, like this one here is more in the sun, just go ahead and water the root systems of it and don't get it on the leaves. The plant will still take it up into it, the root system will. So I'm going to finish feeding these here. As these continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.